Hey Squids! So today's assignment is pretty straightforward. I just want to go over it just in case you need extra help. So first of all, on page 26 in your notebook, or as close to 26 as possible, title it Evidence of Changing Substances. Then you're going to go to the simulation, and you're going to make sure you're in Laboratory A mode. So here you're at the simulation. Go here, Laboratory A. All right, next. You're going to add substance and you're going to choose sodium carbonate. I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to add a different substance like this, and then you hit test and see what happens. And you just observe it. Obviously, this is not the substance you're supposed to use. I don't want to show you that substance because I want you to do this on your own. Okay, then you can hit results over here and see what everything was. Now, right up here is a little toggle that says View Properties. You can view the properties. You can see that hydrogen is a colorless gas at room temperature. It's odorless. It has a really low melting point and a really low boiling point. Okay, so that's where you get all of the information. You're going to use sodium carbonate. You'll test it. Then you're going to, calcium chloride. Add sodium carbonate to it. Test it, see if there's a reaction, and then you'll review and make sure you turn those toggles on, these view properties toggles, okay, and atomic scale toggle. And then what happened when you combine the two substances together, write it in your notebook. Draw a picture too, and list the properties. Okay, now we're going to add to this later. But you're done with your notebook at that point. The next thing you do is this sheet. You're playing again with the simulation, okay? And just follow the directions. There are hard copies of this sheet, or you can do it online. You may work with a partner. It's up to you. Just make sure you do your own work and don't just copy your partner's work. Okay, when you're done with that, you're going to go to assignment 5A or 5B. Depending what option you're doing. If you're doing open and structured, you're going to read an article about the new moon that's going to be coming in for the next couple months. We're going to have 2 moons. Or 5B, you're going to do option X, which is a little bit more work you have to do, but remember this is about learning a little bit more about atoms and how they actually bond together. Okay, so do 5B and 5C. I don't have it written here, but you're going to do 5B and 5C. If you don't finish 5C in class, it's not homework, but you should finish 5B. And that's it. So you'll just go to the modules page when you're done with this and complete this work. Okay, so good luck. Email me if you have any